Okay. That's connection. Xbox 5. They just disabled my internet. Well, they kicked me out of the game on terminal. And they have Mac. None of them can get to the internet. Last game build, so let's see if it's up. Played that team right there. Distortion. No. Let's see. And there it is again. Can't connect. Trying to connect to the game battles page. And let me just open up a new tab. Try and go to Google. And they can't even connect to Google. Alright. Still not connecting. It's connecting. It's loading. I'm not getting to the page. Still not connected. And it's still not going. Oh. So they currently outspeeded me and my other player upward during Karachi and me during Terminal after the second round where we were up on a 2v3 because Upward had the same problem. So this team is obviously cheating, hacking the system and using it against other teams by kicking them off Xbox just so they could get the win with this player down. And that's it. Still currently trying to load. Mac, and I have Perfectly Fine Router, which I just bought like a month and a half ago. And that's it.